morning, buddies. How are you today? This is your own Gomati auntie. I'm so excited to meet you with another one of those Usborne Phonics readers. Today we are going to read Sam Sheep Can't Sleep. Wow, looks like his name is Sam. Sam can't sleep. Let's see why he can't sleep. Shall we read on? This is written by Phil Roxbee Cox and Stephen Cartwright. And this is the Usborne Phonics Readers. Sam Sheep can't sleep. Sam Sheep gets up. Sam Sheep wakes up. Pup. Wow, 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 wow. Pup barks. Bow wow, bow wow. It's late. Bow wow. It's dark. Bow wow wow. Go to sleep, Sam Sheep. Bow wow wow. I can't sleep. Meh, says Sam Sheep. I need to see Fat Cat. Meh. Bow wow wow. Bow wow. Bow wow. Fat Cat can sleep for weeks and weeks. Wow, wow. Fat Cat's on her sleeping mat in the park. Pup barks. Wow, see, Pup and Sam Sheep has come to see the Fat Cat. It's dark out there. Whoa. It's late. It's dark. Go to sleep. Wow, wow, wow. Sorry, barks Pup. Sam Sheep can't sleep. You need to see Ted in his red bed. Ted is asleep in his red bed. This is Ted. Wow, Ted is asleep in his red bed. Pup barks in the dark night. Wow, wow, wow. And Ted wakes up. On goes the light. You gave me a fright, says our bear. Ted, right? Ted. Sorry. Wow, wow, barks the pup. Sam Sheep can't sleep. Then let's see Big Pig down the street. Wow, what are these animals up to? And see, there's an owl, there's a mouse, and even a duck here. Wow, all these animals are out on a stroll in the dark. Big Pig grunts. You woke me up. Meow. Don't blame us. Meow. Fat Cat yawns. Whoa, whoa. Sorry, barks Pup. Sam Sheep can't sleep. Can't sleep, says Big Pig. Then do a jig. That will make you sleep, Sam Sheep. So Pup starts to jiggle. Fat Cat starts to wiggle. Ted does a wriggle. And the Big Pig starts to giggle. Wow! Look at that. Our Big Pig has a big fat back. But what about Sam Sheep? Sam Sheep is asleep. Whoa, Sam Sheep woke everyone up and now he's deep asleep. Naughty little sheep. Don't we all do that also? In the night we come and tell mama and papa we are not able to sleep, and we wake them up and we go back to sleep, right? Now, like every other Usborne's Phonics Reader, even this book has a lot of rhyming phonics sounds. Shall we check what they are? Up, pup, sheep, sleep, bark, dark, sleep, sheep, fat, cat, park, bark, dark. See, all of that rhymes. Park, bark, dark. Sleep, sheep, weak. Red bed, Ted. Ted is in his red bed. Oh, and the fat cat on the mat. And light, night, fright. What else do we have here? Let's see. Big, big, jig, right? And there's a lot of rhyming words here. A jiggle, a wiggle, a giggle, and a wriggle. Alright, I hope you enjoyed reading this story with Auntie. This is a very rhyming story where Sam Sheep couldn't sleep. Now finally, Sam Sheep could sleep while all his other friends were awake doing a jiggle. I hope you enjoyed this story with me. And you see, phonics is a very vital part of helping you to read. Now, if you need help reading and if you want to read through phonics, Auntie is conducting a lot of classes for you to understand phonics. Tell your mom or dad if you're interested in taking part in those classes. And Auntie has left in the description below the link to how to reach Auntie for those phonics classes. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me. If you did, like, share and subscribe to Little Story Station. Auntie will see you again with another exciting episode. Until then, take care and read a lot of books, you guys. Bye.